In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change startup apps on Windows 10. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to change these startup applications when you boot your Windows 10 PC. By changing the startup apps, you will often increase the load times by disabling unnecessary applications or enabling other ones that you might need. So all that you have to do is head over to the settings. So for this first method, click on the Windows icon at the bottom left and then access the settings. Inside of the settings, go into the apps category. If you cannot see it here, just use the search function and look for apps. Within apps and features, one of these subcategories here is going to be startup. You can also look for startup directly using the search function, whatever you prefer to do. So once you go inside of startup, as the name suggests, you will see every single application that opens when you turn your PC on. Usually they will try to measure the impact, so if a specific application takes a while and needs a lot of system resources, it will say a lot of impact here, but if it doesn't take too much impact and it loads up slowly on the background, it is going to say no impact. And of course, you have the toggle to enable or disable them accordingly. If the toggle is set to off, as you might imagine, this specific application will not turn on when you power on your PC. You will have to manually choose to open it. And like I said, this can often free up system resources. So if you have a really old PC or laptop, it can help to disable a bunch of these startup applications. You can also go into the task manager, so right click the taskbar, select the task manager, and you will have the startup tab. Once again, you will see every single app that opens on startup. You will see if it is enabled or disabled in the status and then the impact. And then all that you have to do is right click and disabled. Be careful because you don't want to disable some stuff. So if you have anything related to drivers, I would recommend leaving those enabled. For example, the Realtek, HD, audio, stuff, and so on. But that's up for you to decide. I hope I was able to help you on how to change startup apps on Windows 10. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.